Why buy an expensive matcha cake when you only need 4 ingredients and a few minutes to make it yourself? If you've been on TikTok in February of 2025, you've likely heard that line. Here's what it is and where it came from.
Why buy an expensive matcha cake when you only need 4 ingredients and a few minutes to make it yourself?
March Cooks is a TikTok cooking page that uses an AI-generated voice modeled after Marge Simpson from The Simpsons to sing cooking recipes. On February 9th of 2026, the account posted a video walking viewers through how to make a matcha cake using only 4 ingredients. The video opens with Marge's AI voice singing that the viewer can make the cake themselves rather than buying an expensive one, then proceeds to sing through each step of the recipe. The video reached over 2.5 million views in 1 week, and the original audio began circulating widely across TikTok. A few elements contributed to the video spreading the way it did. The song follows a simple, repetitive structure that makes it easy to remember. AI voice content using well-known fictional or celebrity voices has been a consistent source of viral material on TikTok for some time, and Marge Simpson's distinctive voice makes the AI song immediately recognizable. The premise of the video, which is making something at home rather than spending money, also connected with a broader audience, making the content easy to share and reference outside of its original context. The original video was posted by the March Cooks TikTok account on February 9th of 2026. 3 days later, on February 12th, TikToker Killian Likes French Fries posted a video using the original audio, featuring their Roblox character singing the lyrics across various locations.
It's to make it yourself. Lead off while patiently whisk everything together and
That video got over 500,000 views in just 5 days. Then on February 16th, TikToker I'm Faith Elizabeth posted a video of herself performing the song in a Marge Simpson voice impression, getting over 1.2 million views in a single day.
Why buy an expensive matcha cake? Minor third.
The same day, fat guy named Big Cheesy posted his own version, gathering over 150,000 views in just 24 hours.
Why buy an expensive matcha cake when you only need 4 ingredients?
From there, the video spread into other formats: brainrot edits, Roblox recreations, Minecraft versions, and videos where unrelated characters performed the song, such as a version featuring Baldi from Baldi's Basics. The hashtag Why Buy an Expensive Matcha Cake spread across TikTok, with creators using the original March Cooks audio as a reusable sound for their own content. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.